The writ petition has been filed by the deceased retired employee Mr. A.K. Mishra under Article 226 of the Constitution of India for seeking direction to grant pay scale at par with Mr. S.M. Singh, a graduate teacher in the regular establishment who was drawing the basic pay of rupees 7,900. The negative reliefs are also paid, but it is having no relevance, therefore, it has not been referred. The original petitioner was died on 17/06/2018. Therefore, the names of present petitioners were substituted wide order dated 27/08/2018. The facts unfolded to file the present writ petition are that deceased petitioner was posted as science graduate teacher on contractual basis for a period of 3 years. The said period of contractual appointment continued without regularizing his service. However, the deceased petitioner and some other similarly situated employees had filed writ petitions. In the order, it was specified that for the purpose of national fixation and pension, the services rendered by the teachers during contractual or on ad hoc appointment shall be counted as qualifying service. Accordingly, the deceased petitioner joined the regular services and continued on the post as graduate teacher. He attained the age of superannuation in the year. After commencement of revised pay rules, the state government has passed order extending the benefit of revised pay scale on completion of 10 years of continuous service as a graduate teacher. He further contends that as per rule for column number 11 of Education Department on completion of regular service of 5 years, he or she is entitled to get the benefit of pay scale of headmaster. It is submitted that the period of service rendered by deceased petitioner on contract basis has not been counted for the purpose of promotion. On account of not granting promotion on completion of 5 years from the initial date of appointment and even on completion of 10 years on the date of regularization, benefit of higher pay scale was not allowed. Per contra, Dr. Doma T. Bhutia, learned additional advocate general representing the state, contends that the regularization of deceased petitioner was directed wide order dated 19/06/1996 with effect from the date he takes over the charge. It is further contended that in terms of the recruitment rules 1992 and grade pay rules, his fixation has already been made as claimed in this petition. She further said that benefit claimed at par with Mr. S.M. Singh cannot be directed because his appointment since beginning was on regular basis. Therefore, there is no discrimination and the scale which has been allowed to him cannot be granted to deceased petitioner. At last, it is contended that this petition has been filed with inordinate delay. Therefore, the reliefs cannot be directed when petition is filed on attaining the age of superannuation by deceased employee. As the issue involved in present case has already been dealt with on merit, Therefore, the other plea regarding delay and laches and maintainability is not relevant for adjudication in this case. Stop.